Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at the Skylighter RC Hoversphere. It's one of those flying balls that you see for $5 all over the place. But this one caught my attention because it had a controller. Most of them, they don't have any kind of transmitter. You just turn them on and they start flying around, and you start chasing them all over the place. So that's how those things usually work. But this one had a transmitter on it. So when I saw it, I said, okay, let me look into that. Let me show you what you get in the box. I got it at that Ollie's discount for $4.99. When you charge it, it has the lights on the little helid ball, and then when the charging's done, the light goes out. Okay, so it's not real technical. It has an auto flight sensor and has the remote control, and they have a bunch of different ones. You can get them for the kiddies. And there's the picture of the transmitter. I'll show you the transmitter first real quick. It just has an on and off switch, which is right over here. And then it has a light, so you can turn the lights off to save a little bit of battery. And then it has this little auto and manual flight mode. So when you start it, in the manual mode, you can juice it to make it, bob and weave up and down. In the automatic mode, it just auto hovers at a certain height. But in the manual mode, this trigger controls the height. Give it some throttle and it'll go up a little higher, and let go of it. The only thing about it is I still haven't figured out how to do the direction, so I think it just flies wherever the heck it wants. But here's the ball itself, and it has the on and off switch here and the charging port, and I don't know if it has any kind of sensor under there that reads your hand. I'm just not sure about that. Here's the charging cable, and that plugs in right here in the bottom of it, right there. And like I told you, when you plug it in, the lights come on in there. When the lights go out, it's done. It's done being charged. And then here's the manual. It's pretty basic stuff. It's pretty self-explanatory. It tells you where the power switch is, and the auto and manual mode, and the LED mode, stuff like that. It's not hard stuff. Pretty simple. But yeah, I'm gonna take it up over here for a minute to let you see it crash. There's what it looks like when it's lit up. Okay, so I'll cut this. I'll go over here and take it up for a minute, and we'll watch it crash. All right, guys, we're here with this little beauty. We are back with the flying ball. Turn it on. Set it down there. Turn on the transmitter. It's the same thing as with the quadcopters, how you do the stick up and down. You just pull the trigger in, and it does its thing. Okay, let's start crashing. See, the throttle, this is in the manual mode right now. Okay. See how that worked out, didn't you? No, it's kind of slippery. Not exactly sure. See, the only good thing about keeping it in the manual mode is that the only good thing about the manual mode is that when you if it goes to hit the ceiling, you can let off of the throttle. In the automatic mode, which is what I'm going to put it in here in a second, I don't think you have any throttle control on it, so it can just go right into the ceiling. So let's just try that out. Oh, wait a minute, that battery. When you crash, you have to, on a lot of these balls, you have to rebind it. A lot of them have that little shake sensor in there. Stop it. These things are always a barrel of laughs. Okay, that's the automatic mode. It would be nice if it would, you know, go up instead of running around like a lawnmower. That's the automatic mode right there. I just don't think this one's that good, guys. The spider ball was way better. It's getting ready to crash, so there's really nothing I can do about that. Because you have no way of steering these things. You know, you just fly them until they crash, which is kind of... The manual mode is definitely better, where you can just work the throttle. At least you can hold it into some sort of position. But eventually it goes down, you know. So I think the battery died, but we'll try it out. Hey, once you hit the ceiling, it's all over. Yeah, I don't recommend this one. Even though it does have the transmitter, it's just not a... The spider ball was way better than this. Way better. This thing's kind of a turd. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have no hope for this thing. It's not that good, guys. I wouldn't recommend buying this one. I'd go get the spider ball before I got this, because that one at least was you could chase it around. This one won't keep its altitude, so. Okay. Maybe I can stuff it in a blender or something. Who knows? All right, guys. Have a nice day.